This video is powered by Swift Team Services. Your freight, our priority.
Yes, sir, you carry this? It's 76 feet. What's up, everybody? We are here at Marcus Garvey Technical High School campus. They're having their career day here today. We were invited to, come and showcase some of the cars. Big shout out to all the guys who made it possible who are here today. Yeah man, as you can see in the background. But come on, we're gonna show you a few of the cars that are here and get you acquainted, alright?
They're repairing race these bikes. Right? How much money do I look at?
Mr. Murray,
Per year.
to repair a bike, how much would it cost to repair a bike?
It all depends on the estimate damage. It all depends on the damage.
The damage?
Yeah.
Alright.
Like if you have an engine failure, you have to either consider rebuilding the engine or to just buy another engine.
How much that?
How much the engine? Depends on the engine also, but the regular engine is like $180,000.
180. So never make $180,000 on just one bike.
No, basically.
One bike, but this one costs a lot more. This one is BMW.
No, but me and yours for them.
Oh, for them.
Workmanship difference.
Somebody came in with a damaged bike. How much money do I make?
Oh, like the technician or the mechanic?
Either of them. We want all the information. And money they want.
Alright, it all depends on how much work you're going to do.
Alright? How much work do I do that?
Alright, simplest work to remove a bike engine and to put it back. That's like $30,000.
Okay, $30,000. So how long does it gonna take?
How long? Roughly a day or a day and a half.
Day and a half.
Yeah, because you have to go through all of the flares on the outside. Then you have to remove the wiring system. Then you're gonna go get to the engine, which is right here. It's really heavy also.
So you're gonna get one day $30,000 easy. So in terms of
that's a
Schooling.
that's like a basic bike, but like this one now is a full race bike.
Okay.
So this one is different. It's modified.
So tell me.
All right, so you'd have to talk to the owner about that. The owner spent millions. Yeah, the owner spent millions on this one. Trust me. just the simplest parts cost a lot of money, like $1,000 US. Simplest, I have to order it. You cannot get it locally.
But in terms of schooling, what are we looking at?
Schooling.
Yeah, as I told you, business, we got a mechanic, the technician, and the body man. What am I looking at? Pay, get the business together. You know, to fix what I do, or assist what I do.
Alright, that's what I'll try to explain to you. There are different aspects of the motorcycle. You have the wire guy, they deal with the wiring only. That's his job. You have the mechanic, they deal with like the suspension and engine only. That's his job. I have like the fabricator. So for instance, you don't want a muffler up there. So you get a welder and put it somewhere else. If you want 2 mufflers, you can let him know and just fabricate it how you want.
So each of these jobs that you mentioned, would a certification get them working, or would they have to do like a associate degree or master's?
Alright, here in Jamaica you have the hard trust NTA starting from level 1, 2 and 3. Then you move on to Joggers in Kingston. It's the only automotive school. You have to pass through that. Joggers, it's a German-based institution located
Top of Maxfield Avenue.
Maxfield Avenue in Kingston. So you have to go through them to get certified.
Oh, so you have to do all the hard and then go there?
Yeah, but you have companies out here that will employ you with like level 2, level 3.
Right.
Because they basically cover everything, like cooling system of the bike or the car, suspension, troubleshooting, diagnostics. They basically cover everything.
What subjects? No subjects?
Subjects to do it?
Yeah.
It's a skill, it's a training. You gotta be talented. It's not like sitting down around a computer, you know. You have to be, talented.
Skill.
And at the end of the day, there are
The talent
garages.
is to repair and basic common sense.
At the end of the day, there are garages like whenever, let's say, school is not in process. You have, if he's interested, you could probably stop by Miggy's garage also and find out, if he can come by on the weekends and learn how to do the work.
Like want to go apprenticeships, internships, kind of thing?
Basically. So if you're interested in something, where it is done, you can go here and actually catch up on what is going on and get to know a lot of stuff, and then you can move towards your course.
Yeah, also you can check Miggy at his garage, or you can check me also at Avis Car Rental, located right behind Ruby's gas station. I can give you, just a simple session, like a half an hour, an hour, just the basics of servicing the vehicle. Free of cost, no problem. Just ask for Dominic.
Yeah, big up Dominic, big up Miggy.
When it comes to motorcycle, at the end of the day, one of the biggest things, especially in Jamaica, is sales. Sales, like, let's say you want to open a car mart, who is more interested in stuff like that. You can also go ahead to Miggy's car sale dealership at Milford Road, and he'll teach you the ropes to understand about business. Also, Mr. Kelly here, he's a businessman. You want to know about business more, you can also speak to him. If you want to know about music, at the end of the day, you have...
That's correct. That's right. That's Omar.
Yeah, right. You can teach you about music.
Yeah.
You have another mechanic over here again, Mr. Mojo. And if you want to know about hospitality, which when I say hospitality, I mean like how to deal with sick people. This gentleman here, he works at the St. Anne's Hospital also.
Yeah, man.
And this gentleman here is a mechanic also. So whosoever is interested in fields like these can go ahead and talk to these gentle people. Another mechanic here and a salesman also. So We are all here to negotiate when it comes to certain things that you want to find out about. Anything come to business.
How are you doing? Jamaica, man.
We're gonna do it like a professional, right? First you have to put your right foot right over here. Just put it. Just stand up and say.
You want me to record you when you go up on it?
Put your right foot right over there. No, other way. Yeah, that way. We have to come up closer. Yeah, right over there. Put your right foot straight across.
2 hours later.
Alright. Which one tell me?
Hey, Porter.
All students, those who have items for the afternoon's program, those who have items for the afternoon program, please speak to Mrs. Smith in the guidance office. Those who have items for the afternoon program.
Look at that. Crowd. Crowd. Yo. Will you see that?
Yeah. Let's go. We just gotta go hard. I go the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what you used to. It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard. Yeah. Oh yeah, the beast back. Adrenaline pumping through my veins, can't relax. Original, I am not the same as these cats. I sting them if they never ever mindin' they beeswax. I don't ever cap, but I'm wearing like 3 hats. Never been a rat, but I know where the cheese at. You'll never get a trophy cause they all here where we.
Alright, so we are still here at the Marcus Garvey Technical Junior Campus. Behind me now is Mr. Porter, doing Porter. Just arrived, you know. I have to say a big shout out to him, making the time out of his busy schedule. We have Troy right here, single cam. We have Bins, Jonathan Bins. We have the massive sponsored Coke over there. In the background we have Project Black. BC, no, that's Mojo right there, and Project Black over there. All right, so we are here. Oh, we have Ken Star with his we have Ken Star with his bike. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. We still like a whole vibe, you know.
Not for my friends to feel anyway, but these are all drivers. We only have 2 fast cars here at the moment. We have a white one and a purple one. Which one do you think is the fastest one? This is purple, and that's a white one. Yeah. Which one is the fastest? Purple.
Emotional damage.
Go hard. Go hard. Go hard.
How fast I feel like this one? It's not I put you 16. No, better. Yeah. This go level flat.
Got 10.
10.
So the man take care of 10 seconds of try, man. You know, there's only bit where I want to take this car. I want to carry it lower. About around 6. 6 really and truly, I build this car really and truly for race the boys, you know. But this and you want to keep on this, like if you realize what is happening here, look right here. Which car is in front? The white one. So which one you think faster? But no one does that. This one is in front.
This might be around 9, 10.
They all over the place, man. You can't so broad. 9, 10, you know, 9, 10, I want broad thing in a drag racing, you know. Come on, man. One figure one you do. What we want to do next time? You see it. So you know the fire off. 9-0. But in due time, I mean, what happens is these cars take time to reach where you want. I really him didn't want to race, but you know, him hide. I never feel good, you can hear it in my voice, that's why. Yeah, man, we're going to race, man. Yeah, man, one of the days.
Supporter, what are you doing? I mean, what are you doing here today?
Oh, you know, get a little invite to a school, but I think B-boy that there, man. I come and I look for B-boy, my friend, you know.
You look for Bebo?
Yeah, man, I look for him. I can't find him.
Yeah.
I went there.
What? Well, I don't know. Yeah. What?
Something like...
You find him?
Yeah, man. Okay. I'm not thinking you can hold in on this. You make it stay.
You're not trouble yet.
April 26 to 28.
I'll film this.
Yeah, man, we can.
area do you want to see today now?
We want to see Alan.
Which
Garden.
Alan Garden,
Nicholas Barnes.
Nicholas Barnes,
And Doug Gore.
and Doug Gore. Alright, so that is a call out. Alan Garden, Nicholas Barnes, Doug Gore. The next careers there, on half of the boat. Alright? Alright, big up, respect. Yeah.
Watch your freestyle, you know.
What is that? Yes, 76 chicks! Which school is that school? We can look up now? Can we look up? What do you want to do? More, say more! Say more! More now!
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.